content creator. So I love posting content about my family, travels, home makeover, home organization, DIYs, family and kids activities. So if you love watching these kinds of content, please subscribe to my channel, Walk with Cham. Okay, so a few weeks ago, I did a poll on my Instagram about the best and affordable vacuum cleaner that they have. So most of you actually recommended this one. This is the Deerma vacuum cleaner DX700, and then I bought it in Shopee for only 1,899. So very cheap siya, and I think you can get it on a cheaper price kapag nagkaroon pa ng sale or ng promo. So we will unbox this and we will try it if totoo talaga siyang maganda. This is what's inside the box: the body, the connecting tube, the different type of brushes and nozzle. So here are the parts: the power switch, the power cord, the main body, dust collection container, the HEPA filter, the foam filter, the power cord hook, the connecting tube assembly, 2 floor brushes, and 1 nozzle. Here is how to assemble it. Make sure HEPA and filter cotton are firmly positioned in place. Replace filter back into the dust collection container and attach the dust collection container to the machine. Attach the connecting tube assembly to the main body. Keep the brush aligned and insert it slowly. Nasaksak ko na siya and then I'll turn it on. Sobrang yung suction na niya to the point na hindi ko na siya ma-move. Wait nga. Wait lang. I think kailangan din palitan niya.
Mommy, why chocolate is not moving?
It's not moving! Ayaw. Ayaw talaga. So let's try the other nozzles. Yung carpet kasi namin wala siyang ano eh. It's a rug. So let's try this one. So look, as you can see, ito na yung na-accumulate niya na dust and dirt. And madami na, kahit konti pa lang yung area na nava-vacuum namin, considering kaka-vacuum lang namin parang 2 weeks ago.
Use it as handheld vacuum, remove the connecting tube, and insert the floor brush into the machine.
This suction, itong head sa floor. So as you can see, may mga kalat. Try natin. Okay, so yes, na-try na natin yung 3 nozzles niya. And then, gusto naman namin i-try kung gaano kalakas yung suction. So far, okay naman siya sa panglinis. Like, ito, dami na namin nakuha, oh. Pero, we just wanted to try for you to see kung, and for me also. Kaya will be my assistant. Kaya, please give me daddy socks.
Okay.
Next naman is your ball. Okay. Thank you. Okay. Try. Wooden toy.
Okay.
It's heavier than the 2.
Wow!
All-purpose cream. It's a Tetra Pak.
Here you go.
Thank you!
Oh, here come.
Okay, so this is 135 milligrams. So let's try it. This is the heaviest of them all. Let's try this power bank. I think this is the heaviest. You like it?
Yeah.
You like it? Okay, actually kami din. The Deerma vacuum cleaner DX700 is really recommended. Actually, ang comment lang talaga sa kanya is mabilis siyang uminit. Tapos may nag-comment din isang mommy na sumabog daw. Pero I don't know how true. You have to turn it off from time to time para hindi siya ma-overheat. And then, okay, aray ko. So for me, ang pinaka-nadalian akong gamitin is this nozzle. And also this one is okay. So this nozzle is really perfect sa mga hard-to-reach areas. Hindi na kukuha ng walis. This one for me is quite medyo hard to position. Ato lang kasi, maganda siya kasi malaking area na yung nakukuha niya. So now naman na gagawin natin is we will try to clean the filter. Okay.
Remove the HEPA filter and empty the dirt in the dust collection container into a trash can. So that's my review of the Deerma Vacuum Cleaner DX700. Please don't forget to follow me on my socials. Bye!